So here we are today. We're going to check out a Renegade 33 Open with triple 350 Mercuries. We're going to take a cruise, show you some of the features. This is a great boat, conversion, family friendly, but also rides extremely well. Kind of a narrower beam, so it runs really fast. Does about 80 miles an hour with the triple 350s. So I'm looking forward to seeing more, and I hope you are as well. Here's a quick look from the bow area. You can see all the forward seating. The lounger right there is about a 9-foot beam on this boat, made to slice waves. They say it does about 80 miles an hour, which we should be experiencing here very shortly.
One of the nice features on this particular boat on the Sport Series, because there's spends times in the island, is that when you lift this lounger on the bottom side, it's not installed right now, we have it at the shop, is the storage for the table that goes front. All your hardware is latched down, everything is in place.
So here you can see Brian remove that barbecue from the rod holder mount. It gets placed right there for a permanent living spot. You can grill from right there. There's a refrigerator right underneath, convenient storage to the left, and under that you got a full frigid rigid cooler with a bench sheet that you can utilize at any time.
So Isaac designed all of this for extra storage here. Here he has a blanket. It was designed with the mindset that when you're spending the weekend in the islands or traveling, here you have a net. It keeps all your bags, towels, equipment, stuff closed in here in this area. So it'll keep it from sliding back.
Yeah.
Towels for your shower. Here you bring this up and you're able to shower here in this area. We have a roll down shade that will attach here. It will keep this from getting wet also. There's absolute perfection when it comes to rigging.
Self-flow, so if the boat, the tide goes low or anything like that, it won't hit the bottom.
A feature we don't often see is a designated garbage can, which they have here right by the exit, using the sandbar, having a couple of drinks. Very easy access to be able to organize your trash.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head. Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that
it is in a sandbar situation. Anchor up front, tie a line off the stern and drop that door. Put up the sunshade. Doesn't get much more comfortable than that. So if any of you guys saw the HCB Surreal Fishing Team video right before this, you're gonna realize we're in the same spot with the same clothes. Forgot to film this outro as well. So we apologize, it happens, we're real people. But just wanted to thank you for watching the Renegade video. It was in a spectacular boat, perfect for island running. Does like 80 miles an hour, as comfortable as it gets for the sandbar, cruising with the family. So be sure to check us out at Center Consoles Only on Instagram, our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter, CCO Waterfront, and our CCO brokerage. Thanks, guys. Walking out again.